Hi everyone, I'm excited to present my project, an AI-based wardrobe stylist that helps you turn your existing clothes into smart, daily outfit recommendations. Many people struggle to decide what to wear every day, even with a full wardrobe. We often feel like we have nothing to wear. This leads to wasting time, repeating outfits, and sometimes poor combinations. This problem matters because daily outfit decisions affect our confidence and productivity. Also, with the rise of digital lifestyle apps, there's a great opportunity to simplify this routine using technology. Outfit selection depends on many factors like color, style, weather, and occasion. These are difficult to handle with fixed rules. Machine learning can learn patterns from data and improve recommendations over time. This problem is suitable for machine learning because it involves complex decisions. There are clear patterns in fashion data, and we have access to relevant data like images, user preferences, and trends. The goal is to build an AI system that takes wardrobe images, identifies clothing items, and recommends daily outfits. The aim is to make outfit selection faster and more personalized. This solution is useful for students, working professionals, fashion-conscious users, and basically anyone who wants to save time in their daily routine. We measure success in two ways: outcome metrics like increased usage, time saved, and user satisfaction, and output metrics like recommendation accuracy and how often users accept suggested outfits. The system considers clothing type, color combinations, fabric, weather, occasion, and also user preferences based on past selections. Here's how the system works. Users upload wardrobe images, AI classifies the clothes, stores features, and then generates outfit combinations to recommend daily looks. We use computer vision models like CNNs to identify clothing items and recommendation systems to generate outfit combinations. Personalization improves results over time. To validate this, we start with a simple prototype, test with users, collect feedback, improve the model, and finally use A/B testing to compare performance. The system includes offline training and real-time serving. It uses a hybrid approach with pre-computed outfits and dynamic adjustments. The pipeline starts with clothing images, processes them using image recognition, extracts features, stores them in a database, and outputs outfit recommendations. There are challenges like changing fashion trends, evolving user preferences, new users with no data, and possible delays in recommendations. These risks can be handled by regularly retraining the model using feedback loops, collecting initial preferences, and optimizing system performance. In the future, we can add weather-based suggestions, AR virtual try-on, shopping integration, and social sharing features. To conclude, this AI wardrobe stylist simplifies daily decisions, saves time, and improves personal styling. Thank you for listening.